Uh-oh, traders. Oh my goodness. The market is dropping. That's it. It's the start of the big crash. Hold your horses. I don't think so. Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, traders. Just want to let you guys know that there is, I think there's about 3 spots left for that super trader format that I'm walking people through. That I approve for them and I'll show you for free. So this is probably your last day to actually get access to that. Very first thing in the description, guys, or John's STF, go click on that. When you go over there, register, put your email address in. I'm gonna send you a free trading course. And secondly, you can also then get access, you can book a time to actually talk with me where I'm gonna walk you through the super trader formula, step by step what you need to know. This is exactly the formula that I had to follow to go from broke, losing money to actually making money. I'm going to personally walk you through that and then insert that into how you can move forward. A bit of a plan for you as well too. So let's actually look at the actual good old stock market. So let's start off with the good old stocky market here. The good old Dow Jones. Oh my goodness, market pull back. But I believe this is going to be short-lived, guys. I really believe this is going to be short-lived. And let me explain the reasons why, okay? So looking at the Dow Jones, actually let's bring up the last 6 months, looking at the Dow Jones, what do we have here, right? What do we have here? So we have this market through here. Ooh, all right, this market through here. It's like, don't worry, I'll tell you what, something just came up for me just a minute ago, my thoughts. It's like, what was that about? Anyway, and then we have this point through here, right? So high and then a higher high. Right, so that's what we have. And so now we're actually possibly starting a new upward trend. So our pullback is probably going to be short-lived to this trend line. So we may get a little bit more of a pullback, but oh my goodness, it's going to crash. No, I actually don't believe that personally. I'm looking at the markets right now. This is looking still really bullish. So a bit of a short-term pullback, maybe even down to this level through here somewhere, right? We're probably going to get maybe, like a 50% level. Right, so where's the 50% level? So even a drop down through here would be quite powerful. So I drop down through to here, but we're starting a new upward trend, guys. I believe we're starting this upward trend, right? Down, up, down, strong up, down, and then back up again, and away we go as well too. Oh, and there's a head and shoulder formation there for you guys that like those head and shoulders, right? Looking at the S&P 500, and what we see here on the S&P 500 is this. Right? This is what we see overall by looking at that good old long-term level of support. So that's what we're seeing through there. Once again, guys, what do we see through here? Okay, so this is really important that we remove our emotions. Down, high, straight down, up, higher high. Now we're getting a pullback, right? I believe some sort of a pullback, maybe even down to the 4,000 level. Looks like there's a support level around the 4,000 level there. And then we're probably going to bounce and then away we go again, right? And then if we do get that, which would actually be really healthy, if we do get that, then that's going to be really powerful to possibly see a very strong finish towards the end of the year. So looking at that, that's what I'm seeing through there on the S&P. So again, down move, looking at good old Fibonacci levels as well too. We have this move from there to there. And we can see that we also have the banana. What is that? The banana. Where did I get the banana from? Anyway, 50% level, right? Oh, by the way, guys, I'm just coming off, I'm in a trade right now, for you guys that are wondering. I'm actually in a trade right now that's roughly around 100% return on my risk on the stock market. I had a beautiful trade on the futures market yesterday. On the Russell, that gave me about a 200 plus 2 to 300% return on my risk on that as well too. So whatever I was risking, 2 to 300% return on my risk, and it's the exact same strategy that I teach. You know, again, when we book a form, I'll be able to talk to you more about that. But guys, if you are struggling right now with your trading, then hey, come to me. I'm here to help you guys, right? Trading can be fun, but guess what, guys? Here's the amazing thing about my trading. I have one simple approach. And by the way, I actually got into another good trade today, which also could be another incredible multiple 100% return. Might not be, could be loss as well too. So I need to keep myself humble, throw my ego out the window. But I'm trying to let you guys know that, hey, I'm doing really well with my trading, but it's the exact same thing. I trade the foreign exchange markets, the futures market, and the stock market. And guess what? I'm looking for the exact same pattern across all markets. It's not that complicated, guys, right? That's why you can have a good time trading. We just got to wait for those good trades, right? So that's what we're seeing through there on the good old S&P 500. Let's look at the Nasdaq. And look at the Nasdaq. Again, short-term little pullback. But again, I would not be too surprised to see the Humpty Dumpty come back together again, okay? Humpty Dumpty come back together in. Down, up, lower high, down, up. We're going here. Now we're done this. Now we're doing this. We're probably going to get that and then start to see that again, okay? So looking at the Fibonacci levels as well too. From there to there, looking at that. So that's the point through there. We're probably going to get a bit of a pullback through here, and then away we go again on the Nasdaq as well too. Let's go have a look at the mining sector. Let's look at the GDX. Again, short-term little pullback. We may even get like a bit more of a pullback out of the mining sector as well too. So I'm expecting possibly a bit more of a pullback through here. So maybe we're going to get something like this happening here, right? So something like that happening right there. You know, and then we're possibly we're going to start to see that coming down through there. And then once again, that'd actually be really healthy because we did that. Then we're probably likely to scoot back up and see a really, really, really nice move back to the upside. But that's what I'm seeing through there on the GDX. We also can see that we actually were at the top of this channel here, as you can see, right? Let me take that off the screen. Take that off the screen. You can see we're at the top of the channel. So now we're pulling back. But I don't believe this, as you can see, right? It went from here to there, to there, to there. I don't believe we're going to get back down to here again. Again, where I do believe is that we're probably going to see a 50% retracement or something like that. And then it's probably going to hold. So these levels through here, right? It's going to go to the banana. Can I change that? Let's actually, can I do this here? I want to change this to, actually I can't. Can I rename it? Can I rename the 50% to the banana? What's like the banana? Right? That's the GDX. Let's look at the GDXJ. And again, sort of same sort of thing as well too. The GDXJ had indeed came to the top of the channel through there, as you can see. Really, really, really simple. Now we're getting a pullback. X marks the spot. So again, once again, guys, I don't believe we're going to see a really big pullback in this one here. Possibly a bit more of a pullback from there to there. All right, we're going to go to the banana, all right? 50% Fibonacci. I tell you what, guys, every time you look at a Fibonacci level, you look at the 50%, you're going to go, oh, that's the banana. That's the banana. All right. And then away we go again. Right. So we're probably going to get pulled back through there because we've already had a very big, strong move up. We are already in a very big bull market. So up, down, pull back, up, down. And why is my color red? Should be green. Right. So let's have a look at the SIL. Look at this here. Now, SIL is almost pretty much at that level now. Right. So we're almost holding that level through there because we really didn't get a much pullback through there. If we have a look at that through there, that's actually, it didn't quite get to that top level before we actually had to pull back to the banana. That's the banana. I can't help myself. Where did I get that from? It's not like I clicked the recording. It's like, oh, let's go have a look at the banana, right? So SILJ did get to the banana. Oh, look there, my box is yellow too, like a banana. Maybe I'm thinking about, because after this, I'm going to go to the gym, but I'm going to have a banana before I actually go to the gym. So maybe my brain's thinking about, oh, I'm looking forward to my banana before I go to the gym. It's like, come on now. Right? So we could actually be getting ready to hold here, guys, and start to see a move back up here when it comes to the SILJ. Let's go have a look at the silver stocks, or the silver market, should I say. And once again, we're actually in this bit of a channel here once again. So the bit of a channel, as you can see, that was that top of the channel through there. We're at that level now. The big key here is what actually happens through here, right? Because you got a couple of levels. Or actually, let me take that off the screen there for a minute. Look at this here. That $26. Look at that there. Triple X marks the spot. Triple resistance. And once it breaks, guys, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Right? It's like sometimes when you're on a horse that just really likes to go. Right? It's like, you better be strapped on and you better be holding on to that thing and taking control because it's about to go, right? It's about to go. So, what I would like to see though is I would like to see possibly, if I bring up my moving average on this one here, I would possibly would like to see this. I'd possibly like to see the moving average coming up through there. Then we see something like this happening and then a breakout and then away we go again as well. So if we can get that for the next couple of weeks, oh my goodness, guys, silver's going to go absolutely ballistic. Why? Because triple area of strong resistance, once it's broken, is going to, this market is going to go absolutely crazy. Now last but least, which is the good old gold market. And gold market, pretty much nothing today. This is doing exactly what I thought it was going to do, guys, which is just a sideways movement through here. So once again, possibly silver and gold is going to go sideways a bit more through there. Right, so we continue sideways through here. Maybe get down to that level through there. Right, maybe do something like this for a while. And then we get something like that with a bit of a breakaway bar. So there we go, traders. Once again, traders, there's a bit of update for you guys. Once again, guys, if you really do need help with your trading, guys, please come to me. I can really help you. It's taken me almost 20 years. This is my 19th year trade in the markets. And I can really simplify the version for this trading for you, and I can help you do really well. You want to trade the futures market, the foreign exchange market, the crypto market, all that sort of stuff. I can really help you simplify your trading so you can do really, really, really well from trading. Because for me personally, guys, I look at foreign exchange markets. I trade futures markets. I had a future trade yesterday, right? I'm in the stock market right now, trading the stocks and using options as well too. And also using like margin as well too when I'm actually looking to get into trades. I got into a new trade today. So I can really, really, really help you guys, okay? So the very first thing you need to do is that link in the description, click on that, go get access to the free trading course, get access to the Super Trader Formula, book a call with me for free, and then I'll insert the Super Trader Formula into your life so you can start to at least have a plan moving forward.